Hi everyone, this video shows how to clear Android cache files for faster and smoother performance. Step 1. Clear cache for specific apps. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device model. Next, tap See All Apps to display the complete list of installed applications. Choose the app that is causing problems or running slowly. Inside the app settings page, tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Now tap the Clear Cache button. After a few seconds, the cache size will be reduced to 0 and the app should run more smoothly. Please remember, tapping Clear Cache will not delete your photos, messages, accounts, or personal files. It only removes temporary data stored by the app. Step 2. Clear Web Browser Cache. Now open the Google Chrome browser menu. Tap the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select History. Then tap Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Choose a time range. Selecting all time will completely remove all cached files. Make sure cached images and files is checked. You can also keep browsing history and saved passwords unchecked if you do not want to remove them. Finally, tap Delete Data and wait for the cleaning process to finish. After clearing cache files, restart your Android phone for the best performance improvement. Your device should now feel faster, smoother, and more responsive during daily use. Clear cache regularly to keep your Android phone fast and responsive. Thanks for watching.